Mastering Business English Conversations, a comprehensive guide for professionals. Introduction. In today's fast-paced global business environment, effective communication is a critical skill that can determine success or failure. Business English, with its specialized vocabulary, formal tone, and strategic phrasing, plays a vital role in ensuring smooth interactions in professional settings. Whether you are negotiating a deal, making a presentation, networking at an event, or responding to emails, mastering business English conversations will give you a competitive edge. This guide provides an in-depth look at different aspects of business English conversations, including workplace communication, formal and informal business discussions, cross-cultural interactions, and key phrases for different business situations. 1. Workplace communication and business etiquette. Business communication in the workplace requires professionalism, clarity, and efficiency. Here are some essential elements of effective workplace communication. 1.1 Professionalism in business conversations. Always maintain a polite and respectful tone. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. Be clear and concise in your speech to avoid misunderstandings. Use proper titles and address colleagues and superiors appropriately. Avoid slang and overly casual language in formal settings. 1.2 Workplace communication channels. Business conversations occur through various channels, each requiring a different approach. Face-to-face conversations. Maintain eye contact, use appropriate body language, and speak confidently. Emails. Keep messages professional, structured, and free of grammatical errors. Phone calls. Speak clearly, introduce yourself, and summarize the key points at the end. Video conferences. Dress appropriately, minimize background noise, and ensure a stable internet connection. 2. Business meetings. Leading and participating effectively. Meetings are an essential part of business communication, allowing teams to discuss strategies, share updates, and make key decisions. 2.1 Types of business meetings. Status update meetings. Regular meetings to discuss project progress. Brainstorming sessions. Creative discussions for generating new ideas. Client meetings. Professional discussions with customers or stakeholders. Negotiation meetings. Business discussions focused on agreements and deals. 2.2 Key phrases for business meetings. Let's get started with today's agenda. I would like to hear your thoughts on this matter. Could you please clarify your point? Let's summarize the key takeaways from this discussion. Do we all agree on the next steps? 3. Negotiation skills and persuasive business conversations. Negotiation is a key aspect of business, requiring tact, diplomacy, and persuasion. Effective negotiators must strike a balance between assertiveness and compromise. 3.1 The stages of a business negotiation. Preparation, research and outline your objectives. Discussion. Exchange viewpoints and explore different possibilities. Bargaining. Find mutually beneficial solutions. Agreement. Finalize the terms and confirm the deal. Implementation. Execute the agreed upon terms. 3.2 Key phrases for negotiations. We would like to propose the following terms. Can we find a win-win solution? Let's explore alternative options. We are willing to compromise on this aspect. I appreciate your offer, but we need to make some adjustments. 4. Networking and professional relationship building. Networking is crucial for career growth and business development. Whether at a conference, seminar, or casual business event, effective communication helps establish valuable professional connections. 4.1 Best practices for networking conversations. Start with a strong introduction and a firm handshake. Express genuine interest in the other person's work. Keep conversations engaging and professional. Exchange contact information and follow up later. 4.2 Key phrases for networking. It's a pleasure to meet you. What line of work are you in? I've heard great things about your company. What inspired you to enter this industry? Let's keep in touch. May I have your business card? I'd love to collaborate with you in the future. 5. Business writing and email communication. Written communication is just as important as verbal interactions in the corporate world. Well-written emails and reports reflect professionalism and credibility. 5.1 Structure of a professional email. Subject line, clear and relevant to the message. Greeting. Address the recipient professionally. Body, concise and to the point. Closing. A polite conclusion with a call to action. Signature. Include your name, position, and company details. 5.2 Key phrases for business emails. Dear name. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to follow up on our discussion. Please find attached the requested document. Let me know if you have any questions or require further information. Looking forward to your response. 6. Customer service and client interactions. Providing excellent customer service requires professionalism, patience, and problem-solving skills. 6.1 Best practices for handling customers. Listen actively to customer concerns. Maintain a friendly and professional tone. Offer clear solutions and follow up on issues. Handle complaints with empathy and efficiency. 6.2 Key phrases for customer service. How can I assist you today? I understand your concern, and I will do my best to resolve it. Let me check that information for you. We apologize for the inconvenience caused. Thank you for your patience. We appreciate your business. 7. Public speaking and business presentations. Delivering a compelling business presentation requires confidence, clarity, and strong communication skills. 7.1 Tips for a successful business presentation. Start with a strong opening statement. Keep slides clear and visually engaging. Speak clearly and confidently. Engage with the audience and encourage interaction. End with a strong call to action. 7.2 Key phrases for presentations. Today, I will be discussing. Let's take a look at the key points. To summarize, our main takeaways are: I'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you for your time and attention. Conclusion. Mastering business English conversations can significantly enhance professional interactions, build stronger relationships, and open new career opportunities. By practicing the key phrases and techniques outlined in this guide, you can improve your communication skills, increase your confidence, and thrive in the corporate world. Whether you are in meetings, negotiations, emails, or networking events, effective communication is the key to success in the business world.